Slay, as in slay girl, which is good job or sensational. Of an event, a person, or a piece of information causing great public interest and excitement. Number one, of an account or a publication, presenting information in a way that is intended to provoke presenting information in a way that is intended to provoke public interest and excitement at the expense of accuracy of an account or a publication. Over dramatized, dramatic, melodramatic, exaggerated, overripe, sensationalistic, graphic, explicit, unrestrained, lurid, trashy, cheap, tasteless, kitschy, yellow, pulp, garish, full frontal, shock horror, tacky, juicy, rubbishy, whiz bang. Number two, very good indeed, very impressive or attractive. Gorgeous, stunning, wonderful, exquisite, lovely, magnificent, dazzling, amazing, radiant, delightful, charming, enchanting, entrancing, captivating, bewitching, striking, spectacular, remarkable, outstanding, impressive, memorable, unforgettable, unique, arresting, eye-catching, marvelous, superb, excellent, exceptional, fine, superlative, formidable, first class, first rate, virtuoso, skillful, masterful, masterly, great, terrific, tremendous, super, fantastic, stupendous, stellar, fabulous, fab, heavenly, divine, drop dead gorgeous, knockout, delectable, scrumptious, ace, A1, mean, awesome, amazeballs, magic, bad, wicked, out of this world, unreal, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, brilliant, brill, smashing, neat, babelicious, bodacious, bonzer, wizard, spiffing, ripping, topping, champion, capital, top hole, swell, keen, shit hot. May dash. Shit hot. Other ways of saying good job or slay. Interjections. You've got it made. Super. That's right. That's good. You are very good at that. Good work. Exactly right. You've just about got it. You're doing a good job. That's it. Now you figure it out. Great. I knew you could do it. Great. Congratulations. Not bad. Keep working on it. You're improving. Keep working on it. You're improving. Now you have it. You are learning fast. Good for you. Couldn't have done it better myself. Beautiful. One more time and you'll have it. That's the right way to do it. You did it that time. You did it that time. You did it that time. You're getting better and better. You're on the right track now. Nice going. You haven't missed a thing. Wow! That's the way. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Terrific. Nothing can stop you now. That's the way to do it. Sensational. You've got your brain in gear today. That's better. Excellent. That was first class work. That's the best ever. You did that very well. Perfect. That's better than ever. Much better. Fine. Nice going. Fantastic. Tremendous. That's great. Congratulations, you got it right. You did a lot of work today. Marvelous. Cool, cool. Now that's what I call a fine job. You've got the hang of it. You've got the hang of it. I've never seen anyone do it better. I've never seen anyone do it better. It's a classic. Right on, right on. Congratulations. You only missed may mga tulak. Keep on trying. Good job. That's really nice. What neat work. What neat work. That's clever. You make it look easy. Muy bien. Muy bien. Superior work. I knew you could do it. You're doing fine. Good thinking. Good going. Wonderful. That's your real work of art. Superb. Superb. You're good remembering. You've got that down. You've got that down, Pat. You certainly did well today. Keep it up. Keep it up. Outstanding. Outstanding. You're really improving. You are learning a lot. I'm good going. I'm impressed. You must have been practicing. That's it. I like that. Way to go. You've just about mastered that. That's an interesting way looking at it. That looks like it is going to be a great paper. Super duper. Out of sight. It looks like you put a lot of work into this. Good for you. You remembered. Thanks. That's A work. Very interesting. Good thinking. That's a good point. Nice going. That's coming along nicely. That's coming along nicely. That's coming along nicely.